In this guide, we'll walk you through how to create a Discord account on a mobile phone. You can follow these steps on either an iPhone or an Android device. If you find this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Discord allows you to message friends, join communities, and interact in servers. To begin, open the Discord app, which you can download from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once opened, scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap Register. You can sign up using either your phone number or email address. In this example, we'll use an email. Enter your email and tap Next. Next, choose a display name. This does not need to be unique, so you can use your real name or any name you prefer. After that, create a username. This must be unique, so if your first choice is taken, you'll need to try a variation until one is available. Now set a secure password and enter your date of birth. Once done, tap Confirm. Make sure you read and agree to Discord's terms of service and privacy policy. After reviewing them, tap Create Account. You may then need to complete a human verification step. Discord may also offer to help you find friends by syncing your contacts. You can choose to skip this if you prefer. Tap Skip in the top right corner again if prompted. Next, choose a profile picture. You can select one from the available options or tap the plus icon to upload an image from your camera roll. That's it. You're now on Discord. To give you a quick overview, the home screen lets you add friends at the top, while the left side allows you to join or create servers using the plus symbol icon. You can explore notifications and other sections from the bottom navigation bar.